In this video, I wanted to go over another website that I use, barchart.com. This is the home page. I use this to find stocks that are down that I might want to look more into for trading. So first I'd come over here to the stocks and then go over here to the S&P indices. And then down here, you can see all the components alphabetically of all the S&P 500 stocks. So what I'll look at is, say in the morning or just after the market opens, I'll click on percent change. Here it shows in order of the highest to the lowest of the stocks that have gained the most for the day. So I can take a look and see if I own any of these stocks or if I want to own any, and then do some more research on them. Figure out why it's up for the day. And then you can click the percent change again. Now you can find the stocks that are down for the day the most. This is where I'm more interested, because I can look at maybe opportunities here. Look into them a little bit more and figure out why they're down and see if there's some opportunities there. All right, so this is the main view. With the free version of this, you can see the technical, performance, fundamental. So let's take a look at technical and see what we have here. This is a special thing with Barchart. You can get the opinions of their analysts. So if you click on that, you can get all the S&P 500 stocks that they list 100% with a buy rating. This goes okay to the second page. Then you start seeing 90%, 88%. Okay, so it's just another way that maybe I want to take a look at some of these stocks that they've rated 100% to buy, and take a look at them and see if there's anything there worth looking at. You could take a look at the current price right here. Then you can kind of see in the 52 weeks where the price is between the low and the high. You can see $350 for Accenture. It's pretty close to the high here. So, and it's got the 100% buy. So it's near the top 52-week high. So let's go to the next item, performance. Here they have something special, the bar chart. They call it the weighted average. It's a measure of how a stock has risen or fallen over a one-year period with a higher weighting for recent price activity. So I've noticed the weighted alphas also seem to follow the year-to-date pretty well, percentages. So these are all up pretty well. The number one weighted alpha is NVIDIA. You can see the as we go down here, the year-to-date changes pretty much follow. In this screen, I like to see stocks that are up 1 year, percent change, 3 month, and year-to-date. So these have been doing really well. Here's the first one we see here at Adobe. And the last month it's actually down, so you might think you maybe look at the chart and see if it's trending downward. Here's the Adobe chart. Just click on the plus sign there. This only goes back so far. About looks like maybe 2-3 months. Okay. That's what I'm looking for on that chart. Just kind of seeing how they're doing year to date, and then the kind of the trending that I'm seeing here. Okay, and the last thing I look at here is the fundamentals. Here we have the price to earnings, earnings per share. You can see if there's any dividends or what the dividend yield is. Here's the betas. You can see a higher beta above 1. It's going to be a little more volatile. Like the 0.95 here, Intel, it's a little bit less volatile since it's less than 1. That's compared to the, I believe, the S&P 500. Okay. So here you could take a look You can grab stocks and sort them by the PDE ratio, high to the low. And Intel's pretty high, 419, so they expect a lot of growth there. Okay, and then you have the earnings per share. Anyway, that's how I use the bar chart for some quick sorting early in the morning. Be the first thing. I could just click on here and take a look at what stocks are at the high or the low for all of the S&P 500s, which are all should be quality stocks. So, and then you can do your additional research from that point forward. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.